Hey guys, what's going on? It's just me, here, and I'm here, and if you're wondering, this is a tutorial. If you're wondering, how do you create YouTube videos on iOS without, this is no downloads, this is all featured with an iOS device. Right now I'm using an iPad. This is featured with pretty much any iOS device, I'm pretty sure. And so, first of all, this is my iPad. First of all, you're going to go down here. It might be, you click settings. You might have it. You go to this little control center tab. You click customize controls. You go to this, it says more controls down here. Usually it's there. And you click this little green plus. And so and you click that on screen recording. This is the top thing I have. When you want to remove something, you just click the minus. And so and I'm pretty sure you're all wondering, well, how do you get your voice in your video? Because I'm talking right now, you can probably hear me. And you exit out here. You see this little thing. It's a little ring with the blinking dot in the middle. You hold on to that. And there's this microphone audio with this little mic thing. You click that. There's no swiping or anything. And it turns on the microphone. So if I had the microphone off, I'm pretty sure you couldn't hear what I just said. But I said you can't hear me because that's a really important thing. Don't forget to click that Don't forget to hold on and click that if you want to. But if you want to hear your voice, if it's not like a tutorial or anything. But so then you can play any games, for example, Geometry Dash. So you can create these things. You can still see me, I hope. You can still hear me and everything. But then you can play fine. You can probably hear me. Like right now I can talk. You can still probably hear me. You can play games, you can talk. It's pretty helpful on iOS because you can easily record on other devices, or desktops. So if you want to do that, I'm not very good at this game, but if you want to do that, these might not have good rate. It just depends on what device you have. There might be devices with better rates, but you can do all that stuff. You can play games. You can play whichever game. It's not like this game. I need to open this stuff. Sorry. But so if you enjoyed this video, if this helped, comment down below. If this helped, don't forget subscribe. Click that like button, ring the bell. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.